So we're gonna be changing this switch right here on the door of the Nissan Altima 2011. This one does not work, so we're gonna take it off and put a new one in. So the first step is to remove this padded piece right here. So you're gonna stick a screwdriver or a pry tool or something in there. Here I have a screwdriver covered with tape. You just slide that in there and pry that piece off. Once that one is out of the way, next step is to remove this piece up here. This one's already been disconnected, but normally you have to disconnect this wire right here. A good way to do that is to put one flathead in on one side and one in on the other side. And the switch should pop out. Just go ahead and crack the new one in. It just pops right in. I'm gonna go over here. Plug this one in. Stick that piece on. Now we just put this back. Alright, it's working now.